up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I got a nice truck up for sale today. 1978 Dodge Custom 150 step side. Mopar or no car, a nice little pickup truck for sale. We are going to do a full walkthrough of the truck so you know exactly what you get before it shows up. We're going to go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly. We're going to do a full review of the condition of the vehicle. Guys, we offer financing and shipping all over the U.S. We got a ton of classic cars, as you see here. Some Camaros. We got some Mustangs. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. This way you go to our page and you can see every single vehicle walkthrough and you can see our lot updates. But for this video, we're going to be doing this vehicle right here. 1978 Dodge Custom 150 step side. Guys, this truck reminds me of the Warlock. I don't know if you've seen those trucks before, but it's just like a Warlock, except it's yellow. It's got a 318 V8. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Runs and drives strong, power steering. Beautiful color. I think the yellow makes this truck look good. I would put a nice stripe on it, but truck looks good. It's got nice wheels on it, brand new tires on it. Needs a little minor stuff, which we will go through. Interior's in good shape, but overall, it's a solid truck. It looks good. We'll start with the paint test. We usually look at the paint. And as you can see my reflection in it. You can see me waving. The paint's got a nice clear coat. It looks good. We'll go on to this side here. It's got a beautiful shine to it. There's not much, I don't see any really orange peel in it. It looks good. You can see the windows in it, the reflection of those windows right there. I'd probably say the paint is probably a 7.5 or an 8 out of 10. It's a real nice paint job. Whenever it was painted, they did a good job on it. It's not perfect. It shines good. This one doesn't need much, maybe a buff, but I don't think it needs to be wet sand or anything. I think the overall quality is pretty good. It looks good. It's not a perfect truck, but the paint, as far as that, shines well. We'll start off with the driver's door, condition-wise. And on screen, it looks a little bit more yellow than what it is in person. It's a little bit darker tint in person, and it looks, I think, better in person than on camera. Got a couple of little scratches there. Bottom of these cabs are nice and solid there. You got a little bubbling here, so very little. I'm pushing hard. It's nice and solid. Body line looks good, nice and straight. Door gap looks nice and straight all the way. It doesn't get bigger or smaller. It's nice and straight. Let's see how the door closes. You got your tag there. Inside is good. So I did that one light and it closed pretty good. It's a little tough to open. You got to really press hard. That one I closed harder. Yeah, you can close it light. The only thing is, it's a little difficult to open. You gotta really put some love into it. Maybe spray this with some lubricant. Okay, this gap here gets a little bit thinner down here. It's not too bad. Fender looks good. A little damage right there, a little chip in the paint. Bottom looks good, that looks good. The trim showing a little wear there. Tires are pretty much new. You got new tread in them. I mean, there's You could stick my fingers in it. Wheels showing a little wear. The wheels are average condition, better tires than the wheels. Little chip there. Moving on to the front. Looks like we got a B on there. Had a B on there. Bumper's in decent shape. Looks like it had a sticker right here at some point. I love the front grille of this truck. It looks real nice. It's so iconic, 80s and late 70s. This is a nice truck in my opinion. Gap on this side's nice. A little bit tighter on this side, which we see in a lot of the older cars. But yeah. Front looks good. I don't see any real damage on the hood. I don't see any real scratches or anything like that. There's a little wear up on top here. You can see a little scratch right there, but that's about it. The bumper has a little age to it, but nothing too bad. Front fender looks good. Tires in good shape again. Plenty of life left in that. I don't think you need to do anything with the tires. This wheel's in a little bit better shape than the other wheel. No bubbling here. Windshield's in good shape. No issues there. Dash from up here looks good. Let's jump up here on the step side. Look up on the roof. Roof looks good. I don't see any damage or anything there. Moving on to this gap right here. Gap looks good all the way across down. Down here looks good. I don't see any bubbling. Couple little scratches here. Looks like these can be buffed up. This one looks like it's in the paint. Couple little touch-in spots. Back of the cab looks good. Got a nice scratch here that needs to be filled in. That's probably the worst part of the truck so far that we've found. This door is much easier to open. This one opens right up. So driver's door, you gotta really put some love into it to open it. I'm guessing the latch is sticking. We'll lubricate that up and hopefully that'll fix the issue. But the door closes good. It doesn't hang or sag or anything. Body line looks really good, nice and straight, and so is the gap in the door. Nice solid truck so far. Moving on to the bed. Back of the bed looks good. Step side's nice and strong, pushing on that hard, and I can get right up on it. Got a couple of scratches there, a little chip there. Little superficial scratches here. Most likely be able to buff those out. Little bubble there. And this has a little paint drip right there. You can see a paint mark in it. Back bumper is showing some love where the tag is, right here. So wire brush, probably take that right off, or Ajax. Clean that up real good. Got a little scratch here. I think the worst part of the whole truck is going to be this back bed. The back bed is showing its age. Definitely is. It's solid, except like over here, it gets a little light here. You could put a mat over it in the corner. You see there, that's starting to come up. Easiest thing I would do is just replace this wood and put some nice wood in here. You do that, I don't think anything else you need to do to this truck. You can put a mat over it and drive it the way it is, you know, and just use it as a truck to go to Home Depot or whatever. But to make it a nice truck, replace that wood bed, and that's all you need to do to it. Same thing back here. All this is in good shape. Tires are new all the way around. Wheels, again, maybe replace the wheels, put something nicer. That's good, good. Move it on to the inside. Before we hit the inside, let's go underneath real quick, because I did forget that. Let's grab our light and we'll hit underneath. All right, guys, we're gonna climb under it. I mean, as you can see, it's fairly clean. It's all solid. Surface rust. The only thing I do to this is take a nice wire brush to it and then undercoat it. But this is the way we bought it. We don't like to really modify stuff or do anything unless we have to. This truck didn't need it. But the cab corners are all solid. Floors look good. That all looks good. It looks nice. I mean, the whole frame is completely solid, which is good to see. Same thing with this side. This all looks good. Nice and solid. Yeah, that's my recommendation. Wire brush it and undercoat it and it'll look beautiful. That's the only thing I would do to the underside. Yeah. All right, guys, we'll go inside. So you got your tag here, your Dodge tag. Also, window goes up, other window works good. Seat's got a little cut there. Rest of the seat looks good. One thing I did notice, there's no radio, so you would have to put a radio in. We're showing 39,965 miles. I'm assuming that's 139. Oil temperature's working, alternator's working. The gas gauge, I don't know if it's working. It's showing empty. I have not put gas in this car, so we're gonna have to put gas in it and see. That's the lighter there. Let's try left turn signal. It's working. Oh, this is lights here. Right turn signal. For some reason I thought that was the lighter, but it's not. It's the actual lights. Sorry, I'm having a long day. All right, turn signals work. Cool, back lights are working. Front lights are working. Sounds good. No smoke blowing out or anything. Just pop open the hood. Power brakes, power steering. Guys, I think we got a winner here. Truck runs good, the clutch shifts perfect, engine sounds good, it's clean, not much body problems on this car. I mean, it's solid. Put a little TLC into this and you got a real nice truck here. It's already a nice truck, to be honest with you. Biggest thing, do the bed. I undercoat it, maybe throw a set of wheels on it, and you're golden. Nothing else. Throw a radio in it. Up for sale now, guys, BobEvansClassics.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see all of our classic cars, guys. If you made it this far, I appreciate you. I appreciate your business. I appreciate you supporting our page. Guys, I love you. I thank you for your business. Subscribe. Leave a like. Leave a comment. Tell me your favorite classic car you want me to go after and chase, and I will do my best to buy it. Talk to you guys later.